Every time you get behind the wheel, you trust that your car is safe. But what if there is an issue with your vehicle that you don't know about? Auto defect and recalls are more common than you might think, and they can put your safety at serious risk. In today's video, we will walk you through how auto defect happen, the impact of recalls, and what you can do to protect yourself and your family. What you learn today: the most common auto defect and why they occur, how recall are issue and what it means for your vehicles, the danger of defective cars on the road, how to check if your car is under recall, a step you can take if you have been affected by a defective vehicles. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know about auto defect and recalls. What are auto defect? An auto defect refers to a flaw in the design, manufacturing, or performance of a vehicle or its part that makes it unsafe for operation. This defect can be in a car engine, braking system, airbag, a steering system, or even tires. Common type of auto defect. First is design defect. Sometimes a car is designed in a way that makes it inherently unsafe, such as a flawed brake system or fuel tank design that could cause a fire. Manufacturing defect. Defect occur when a part is properly made, such as a faulty airbag sensor or defective seat belt that fail in the event of a crash. Component defect. Issue with a specific part like tire, brake pad, or engine components that might malfunction permanently or fail during use. Example of defective car. One notable example is the Toyota recall from 2009, where faulty accelerator pedals cause an unintended acceleration, leading to crash and death, or the GM ignition switch recall, which involved a default that turn off the engine during driving, disabling the airbags and causing deadly accident. The importance of recalls. What is a vehicle recalls? A recall occurs when a manufacturer or regulatory agency such as the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration identify a safety related defect in a vehicle. Once the defect is confirmed, the manufacturer issue a recall to fix the problem, often at no cost to the vehicle's owners. Why recall matters? Recalls are issued to protect the public from defective product that can cause harm. Without recall, unsafe vehicle whole continue to be on the road, putting drivers, passengers, and pedestrians at risk. A recall could involve a simple fix, like replacing a part or a major repair, such as replacing an entire system in the vehicle. The recall process. The process begins when a defect is reported or discovered through consumer complaints, crash data, or routine inspection. The manufacturer is required to notify vehicle owners, dealership, and distribution of the recall. A repair plan is then set in month, which may involve replacing the defective part or offering a full refund in some case. Owners should take the recall notice seriously and get their vehicle fixed promptly to ensure their safety. How to check if your car is unsafe? Use the NHTSA website. You can easily check if your car has a recall by visiting the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration NHTSA website by entering your vehicle identification number You can find any active recalls related to your vehicle. And second is manufacturer website and alert. Most automakers have recall database on their website where you can input your car's VIN or sign up for recall alert. This can be a great way to stay informed about any potential issue. Vehicle history report. When buying a car, it is important to you get a vehicle history report. This report will tell you if the car has even been under recalls and whether the recalls was addressed and dealership and service center. If you are unsure, you can also contact your dealership or local service center to ask about recalls. They will have access to updates, recall information, and can check your car for you. Dangers of defective car on the road. First is potential accident and injuries. Defective cars are a major cause of traffic accident. A faulty braking system can prevent a driver from stopping in time, or a defective steering mechanism can cause a driver to lose control of the vehicle. These defects can lead to serious injury or even fatalities. Recent statistics. According to the NHTSA, nearly 1 in 4 cars on the road today have an open recall. That is a significant number of vehicles that could be dangerous to driver. High profile recalls and their impact. Some recalls have had far reaching consequences. For instance, the Takatak airbag recalls affected millions of vehicles globally and has been linked to over 20 deaths and hundreds of injuries. These airbags, when deployed, could explode and release shrapnel into the car's occupants. Increased liability for manufacturing. When a defective vehicle causes an accident, the manufacturer can be held liable for damage. In many cases, a victim of a recall related incident can seek compensation through a product liability claiming or lawsuit. A step to take if you have been affected by a defective vehicles. Immediate action. If you suspect your vehicle has a defect that has not been addressed, or if you have been involved in an accident due to a defective car part, you should first ensure your safety, move to a safe location, and contact emergency service if necessary. Document everything. If you are injured or your car is damaged, take picture and document all the details of the incident. Keep a record of any communication with the manufacturer, your insurance companies, and any medical treatment your service. Report the defect. Report the defect to the NHTSA and the manufacturer. By reporting the issue, you help prevent further injuries and support the recall process. Legal help. If you have been harmed due to the defective car, you may be eligible for compensation. Consult with an experienced personal injury or product liability lawyer who can guide you through the legal process can and help you get the compensation you deserve. Auto defect and recalls are serious issues that can affect your safety and your well-being. By staying informed about your car's recalls and taking action when necessary, you can protect yourself from potential dangers on the road. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any experience with defective vehicle or recalls, share them in the comment below. Your story could help others stay safe. Thank you for watching and drive safe.